morning. I am in here today getting ready to iron my jeans for the day because I did not prepare to wear jeans, but today is a jeans day. So I'm going against one of my rules of ironing at night and I'm ironing in the morning. I find myself breaking these rules because I'm at home and I have a little bit more time. I'm gonna go ahead and iron these jeans. And I think these jeans are called mom jeans because they have a high waist. There's something about them that makes me want to call them mom jeans. And so I'm going to do a quick little get the wrinkles out of these. And I may show you how I style them today. I have a few choices, a few things that I have out already that I don't have to iron, that I might wear with them. And so I'll show you what I'm wearing. You see me this morning in my house dress. It's a comfortable feel, just a comfortable feel. Well, I'm going to call it my morning dress since I wear my regular clothes during the day. Now, I grew up in a time where we would starch our jeans and it would have this sharp crease in it. But that's not the way it's going to be today. It'll have a slight crease. So I'm just getting the wrinkles out right now. Okay, so the next time you see me, I'll be in these jeans. All right, guys, I'm going to try to stand in this mirror and also complete this video. I'm doing something a little bit different this morning. I wanted you to see most of my body. What I have on now is what I call my mom jeans. Notice that they are high-waisted, and you also see my mom weight. This is what I have not been able to get rid of as a result of carrying 5 children. Yes, blame the children. So the first thing I'm going to put on and may not wear is this. I'm going to put on a sweater. I want you to know that these jeans were thrifted. So they cost me $5. This sweater was also thrifted. And the price of the sweater, I think it was maybe $2. Less than $2 because it's not usually like $2. It was like $1.99 maybe. Okay. So this is what I look like in this outfit. My mom jeans. Okay. Great. So this is just to show you some things that you can do wearing mom jeans. I think this looks kind of cute. I really do. Now I'm going to try on another shirt. And there's really no rhyme or reason. Well, maybe it is. Because maybe the last thing I put on will be what I decide to wear. So I'm not wearing that. And I know it. I'm really going to try to sort of dress it up a little bit, okay? And this shirt as well was thrifted. $1.99. So you can look good. You can switch out your clothes. My granddaughter and I were talking about that. That we love thrifting because we can look good. When we get tired of something, we may sell it on Poshmark and go get something else. Yeah. So I'm going to put this inside. Ooh, cute. But not in the back as much. And so really I haven't put it in at all. But I am. And I'm just not going to use my belt today. As a part of this video. I'm not using my belt. Okay. So here we go. And I think that's really cute. Yeah, really cute. Yeah. So I'm going to try on something different. It's going to, this is a 2-piece. Now, I really like this look. I like it a lot. Yeah, I have one more thing to try, but I may come back to this one because I was trying to look a little bit Christmassy today, but I don't know. I'm doing this for Jean Day. Yeah, so that's this look. I'm going to try one more. That's cute as well, but that's not the end of my outfit. I'm going to grab a vest. And I'm going to use this vest because I just wanted to look a bit Christmassy. Do I look Christmassy or do I look like I'm from the farm? I think this is kind of cute. This is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this today. This is it. Today I have on my granny boots. My granny boots goes with my mom jeans, and I want you to see it. So I'm going to try to focus this camera so you see my complete outfit with my jeans. And this is my outfit for this morning. I feel kind of cute. I really do. I want you to know my hair is not even done. I still have this plait in my hair because I have to try to figure out a way to keep my hair out of my face. As I'm teaching, when I'm leaning down, sometimes when I'm drinking a cup of tea, I want you to know that this little hair will drop down in there. Yes. So I have to then decide of ways to keep it out of my face. These are my shoes. Yes. These are what I call my granny boots. And the rest of my outfit, and I think I look pretty good. The day really calls for some kind of covering on your head, probably a Santa's hat or something like that, but I don't have one of those. So thank you for watching my video. I'm a sister that loves her locks. I love my friends, I love my family, and I especially love God. And I thank you for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you and all that you do. I'm just here to uplift and encourage. So if someone is feeling down on themselves, I want you to hold your head up high and know that God loves you, and so do I. And go ahead and put on an outfit today. As a matter of fact, look cute. Thank you for watching.